Hello? Hey, hola amigo, ¿cómo estás? Everyone, welcome back guys. Welcome back, everyone. Alright guys, we are about to start in about 10 minutes. Just 1 second, guys. Who won the giveaway today, this morning? Just trying to see who won it. I am so confused. Anyways, guys. I have no idea, man. I am absolutely getting confused with everything right now. God, man, you know, I did not trade a whole bunch of accounts today. This is really the first time ever I kind of missed out on trading a lot of my accounts. And on the last minute, I said, okay, well, let me try to squeeze in some funded accounts, and I ended up well, not blowing, but giving back like $1,000 on my funding ticks that had $6,000 of profit. I went down to like 54,500 or something like that. And then yeah, and then luckily none of my Apex accounts were hurt, but not a good way to end the day. I made some really crazy newbie mistakes, if you will, you know, on a second day of the December. I think this is probably the time I gotta be extremely careful in everything I try to do. So Jackie, that's okay, you win some, you lose some. Oh well, thanks. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm just trying to avoid making silly mistakes. But anyways, guys, great to see you all back again. Globex Asia starts right here, right now, guys. We got 7 more minutes for this market. Obviously the slowest market session ever to open. So let's have some fun tonight. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's also do a little giveaway here, right? Let's do a little giveaway here. Oh, by the way, we had TradeFi. Here we go. This is the gentleman Molly Trades who won our giveaway. Oh, one second, guys. All right, just 1 second, guys. I've gotta set something up here. Just want to make sure. Molly Trades, I don't know if you are here, Molly Trades. Did you I hope you claimed your price. Oh my god, I'm getting so confused. Where the heck is it? Oh, the banner's right here. Okay, I see. All right, 1 second, guys. Oh my mochaccino. I was supposed to look at something. Just want to make sure. Guys, 1 second. I'm absolutely all over the place right now as you speak. My apologies. I'm leaning more to the downside, guys. That's what I'm kind of leaning more towards. We're gonna have to kind of wait and see what this market's gonna do right at the start, but I'm leaning more of a short the bounce, right? Short the bounce. All right, you know, I don't have any TradeFi accounts to even do a giveaway here. Just 1 second, guys. I've got to change that. All right, here we go. Gotta get this changed. 26,000. This is super overvalued. Well, we've been saying it's super valued for quite a while now. Right, guys? Yeah. So I can't even do hold on 1 second, guys. Trying to get something, trying to set up something here. Oh, there we go. All right, let's do something else. All right, fellow traders, here we are. FT means funding ticks. That's right. That's right. Yeah, I need to take a little, I would say, kind of slow down a little bit, right? Call Bob, you were up $200 this morning and then lost 600. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. I'm definitely not doing great in the last few days, to be honest with you. I've got to do a better job. Yeah, I mean, at least thankfully it's still the first 2 days of the month, so I still have 95% of the of the time, and that's 26 days that I can kind of try to figure out how to get this stuff back on track again. Yeah, I just kind of feel like, you know, I've been trying to force myself into trades without really nothing there to trade against, right? If you're up against nothing and you're trying to fight a way to get something out of this market, right? It's not easy. Right, guys? I think we all agree that I think that's what it was, at least for me. I mean, it's truthfully very sad that I still make the same mistakes over and over again. And probably that's because I'm trying to trade all my accounts all individually at the same time, so that's maybe one of the problem. You know what I mean? So that's what the problem is. But you know what? Just sometimes it is what it is, right? People try to change, but man, I've been trying to change for many years now. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for many years now, guys. I've been trading for over 13 years on my personal front, and on a PROPFIRM space, PROPFIRM trading, it's been about 24 months now. So I think I've been trading for a while. I'm definitely not a newbie, but I trade like a newbie. That's the problem.
The market is open. The market is open. I mean?
Oh my God. We are getting a bounce in this market. Wow, wow, wow. That is all I can say. Wow, wow, wow. All right, guys, we are hitting that 630, and that's another level of resistance. Let's see if we get a pierce through. And that's obviously the level of a resistance, and we've got some pivot there as well. So
order filled.
All right, guys, I went short. I'm like, you know what? I'll give it a shot. Guys, my goal today, I know the market is really slow, and we're into the Globex Asia. I'm gonna try my level best to, and of course, alongside my fellow traders. Yeah, trade the Lucid accounts. Where's my funded account? My Lucid. Oh yeah, there we go. This is my funded account. So I've got some ways to go. We'll try to pass a whole bunch today if I can. Put a focus and attention into Lucid.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I've got 7 contracts here.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. I've got a hard stop here at 637. I would say 650, probably a good place to be. Yeah.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna try and go a little aggressive, the guys. By the way, we got our happy take profit trader 50k account giveaway here right now, guys. Take a moment to type in the exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate, guys. And thank you guys for being here as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Oh yeah, I'm gonna send an instruction on our Discord, by the way, guys. 1 second. And there's no activation if you pass, by the way. All right, I sent an instruction on our Discord. Just take a look, guys, and then and type in exclamation tiger, obviously, to give yourself a chance. Let's try to have some fun here tonight, guys. I understand the market's gonna be choppy, wonky. Oh, by the way, I've got a request to make. Oh man, I'm so sad because you know why? Funding ticks. I had 3 accounts that was pretty much daily, not daily payouts. Today was pretty much the day, this morning, to trade for what was it again, another day, but I missed it, so I'm gonna have to now, oh my god, just keep missing days to trade. So yeah, there we go. I've got to trade for another a day. Hopefully I don't miss that trade for tomorrow. All right, and by the way, guys, we are wow, this price action is pretty dead so far, right? Man, you know, I'm starting to not like the price action in New York. Like, you know, you have this great boost right at the start, and then it's like so bad, it's not even funny anymore. God, in the morning, it's like the first 10 minutes, and then you kind of miss that moves, you're done for the day. And by the way, Billanox 91% off happening right here, guys. They just announced it this morning, and I didn't realize that. Incredible, StockTiger. I did not even realize that they had an offer. I will be trading my Billanox accounts, by the way. I have not done that, so I did a few. I'm trying to pass. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm a little mad at myself with the funding ticks, but you know what? It is what it is. And once again, thank you guys for being here. I've got 11 contracts to the downside, looking for a little pullback here into the 600s. Yeah, I'm in a trade. I'm a short-sided trade, guys. My entry here is 620, and I'm shorting right now as you speak.
Order filled.
I'm looking for that fill the gap here to the downside at 600 area, guys. I don't know how much of a move I can kind of capitalize because this market is not really doing anything right. So I may have to be a little more aggressive here in my trades. The BLS activation fee does not bother me, I'll be honest. As long as the evals are $16. Yeah, it doesn't bother me. I mean, it is pricier, but you also have $500 more drawdown to kind of play, and the rules are pretty straightforward too. You're playing with $2,500 drawdown, right? So I think it's like, I mean, at the end of the day, how many accounts are you loading in to activate? You know, it's only 3 or 4 maybe, right? So I don't know. I just kind of feel like it's reasonable. Yeah, it could get cheaper. I kind of like if it's cheaper, but I think it's okay. I'm not gonna complain about their activation right now, to be honest. But it is pricey. It is pricey, but I'm okay. just keep in mind, a lot of the traders trading Billanox, their payout versus their payout versus spending is actually pretty good. So at the end of the day, if you can get to 1 or 2 payouts, it's gonna pay for your Billanox activation. No matter what, you know, whatever you try to do. My Discord link does not work. Sorry guys, man, I'm having a little bit of a protein bar right now, so my apologies if I'm making this weird sound. I'm gonna go a little aggressive here tonight. I know the price is not there, but I'm gonna go a little aggressive to kind of give myself a chance to pass a few listed accounts. So on my top step, I kind of did what I'm supposed to do. I had 4 accounts, right? I activated for no cost, so pretty much the $93 paid for my activation, and then one of my other 2. So I've got these 2 accounts now, 2 evals that I need to make. I think couple $100 more to pass, which is fine. I'll do that. And that was the whole intention, right? Because I think one of my trades I made about $1,800, so I need to make like a few $100 more to get to that 40% consistency. Oh, sorry, 50% consistency, right? Where's my account? And by the way, guys, I'm gonna be requesting a payout now with Apex, so stay tuned. Just bear with me, everybody. I am going to request a payout now. Let's take a look and see what is it gonna be. What's 4? Yeah, I've got 3 accounts to request the payout, but I may get denied on 1. I'm not sure. Oh my god, one of the accounts is only $800. Yeah, I mean, I'll still request that. Oh well. And another one is only $1,000. Oh my god. These are smaller accounts, I guess. Oh man. Oh, these are smaller accounts. Okay, yeah. Windfall. I can't even request a payout. I got a windfall. 31%. I gotta bring it down to like 30%. Incredible. Gosh, I can't even request a payout, guys. Forget about it. Forget about it. Let's take a look and see how many entries we have here. All right, we got 114 entries. Bullish. Bowser in the house. What is going on, man? I see your payouts. I see your P&L. Looking good. I like that. Looking good. Looking good. Discipline futures trader in the house. All right, some work to do here. The market kind of chopping. but I'm gonna try and look to short this market, guys, on a bounce, right? We'll try to give it a shot here. It is still wonky. It's really not doing anything so far. It kind of like the market's kind of break even right now, 0, right? It's not up, it's not down. How did y'all do today, guys? Tiger, you still work full time? I've never really been 9 to 5. It's just been, I just scheduled it that way, but it's a lot more flexible now, just put it that way. How's my day? My day was ugly. I don't know. I just, you know, I think I missed the whole move. Like, first of all, I missed the whole like early morning session. The early morning trades, I missed the whole entire move because I was just not there. And then as I got into the stream, the market was acting funny, right? The market obviously was not moving. Well, it was moving. Sorry, I lied, because we had a 250 points move to the downside. I was at denial. I did not capitalize on that move to the down. And then I try to go short on that big dump, and then the market starts to get a bounce. Oh my god, I have no idea, man. I got absolutely roasted. Yeah, not a major damage from an overall trading perspective, but just not a, you know, I did not really get a chance to trade a lot anyways. But I'm not happy with the, you know, my entries were bad. I just misread the market this morning, so not a great way to start the month, but you know, maybe it's a good thing it happened now then, you know. And on top of that, I missed trading all my pretty much funded accounts across the board, and then I try to rush into trading the funding ticks, for example, the funded accounts on those, and then I missed the whole move, and I try to make $150 to count it as a day. And then I made things even worse, and I lost like $1,000. So I'm like, oh my god, StockTiger, yeah. Today we could not make this market any worse. Like, my trading was just horrific. So yeah, I mean, today was definitely a chance to kind of like capitalize on that big move. I don't know, man. I thought I was focused, but maybe I was just having too many things on my plate. You know, I was doing a lot of different things. You know, I was doing work, and I was trying to trade a lot of different accounts, and yeah, there was a lot of stuff going on this morning. And then I no excuses, by the way, but I'm just saying, no excuses. But yeah, so not a great day and not a great start to the month. Now I'm gonna have to make a nice little comeback here for the rest of the month, because we still have another 26 days to go. And so just because I had a bad 2 days, that doesn't mean that I'm gonna you know, give up here. And we only have 26 days to finish the year as well, guys, man. Ooh, let's be positive and try to finish the month strong and have a great finish to the year. We've been doing great so far, and I think there's no reason why we have to you know, make things any worse. Like, we've been having a great you know, back-to-back months, right? We had great month of August, great month of September, you know, we had great month of October, we had great month of November, and we are coming to an end. Why make things worse? But yeah, the market was tough, right? The market was tough. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the market was tough, but Yeah, I don't know. When the market moves 200 points, it's just not easy to trade that market, right? Especially when you're on the wrong side, it really screws up your mental. And I had a little bit of a mental breakdown, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, I gotta stay a little patient on my trades, and you know, try to look for not necessarily a setup. Like, you guys know that I do a lot of micro scalping, right? So on a 200 takes chart, I'm just looking for you know, a better execution, right? A better execution entries. You know, one of the nicest thing about trading the tick chart on a 200 tick chart is that you know, you are able to you know, the entry spots, right? That truly becomes easier to kind of spot those entries and execute those orders, right? And then that's where you capitalize on a move. But yeah, today was a different animal. I had a little bit of a rough day, but like I said again, 26 more days to go, guys. Peace. All right. Wow, what a beautiful bounce in this market. Holy mochino. Hola amigos, yo. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, my friends in Mexico, Brazil, Venezuela, everywhere in South America, guys, and Spain as well. And we got Portuguese as well here, guys. We got a fellow trader from Portugal too. My code for Bielanos, guys. By the way, my code is all Tiger, right? Tiger, TIG, or across the board. That is my code. For all my PROPFIRM. Oh, sell Tiger from Brazil. See, I told you, man. Dan Trader from Brazil. There we go. The biggest and the largest. Woo, baby. Amazon. Yeah. Tiger, do you like kimchi? Yeah, 100%, Enik. 100%. I can't live without kimchi, everybody. That's right. Bielanos code is Tiger. T-E-G-E-R. Oh, sorry, T-I-G-E-R. Do you mind turning off the Discord notification? I did. I don't have it on right now, I think. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we got some great trading from my fellow traders, man. They're doing a fantastic job. Lots of payouts, lots of great P&L across the board. I was the only one trading bad today, so at least I'm glad to see a lot of you doing super duper this morning. Golf, there we go. 12 back. What is going on, man? Salute, Tiger from Mexico. Yo, Mexico, my Mexico friend in Mexico, Edgar Leon, man. Great to see you, brother. Great to see you here, and great to see you every day. Oh my God, this market is just annoying. All right, guys, 1 second.
Order canceled.
We're up.
Order canceled.
About 18 points.
Order canceled.
Are we gonna break out of this area? Maybe. We are pressing through, man. I mean, God, it's so annoying. We got a resistance here at 633. Let's see if we get... Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the pump in the house. Ayo. Oh, look at that bounce. Yeah, I've got 9 contracts. I'm down about $200 now. I am gonna think about adding to my position, but it's trying to get a nice little break out of this zone now, so we'll see. Annoying, but
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
yeah, I'm just gonna go very aggressively in my
Order
trades,
submitted.
guys. I'm not interested in trying to be like, you know,
Order submitted.
1 or 2 micro and try to be cute with this market. I'm gonna attack it. If the market truly wants to give it to me, then it will. If we get a bounce at some point, I'm gonna have to obviously exit my trade too. But I'm kind of looking at the 640, 650 as a major level of resistance that I kind of feel like if we pop into that level, I may have to start thinking about exiting my trade. And that level's right here, right? This is an area I'm kind of going, okay, well, if it pierces through this, then I may have to start thinking about exiting my trade. But until we do that, I'm gonna still stick to my trade and see how it goes, guys. Yeah, like I said again, I had a bad morning, but at least I got a chance to hang out with you all, right, this morning. So I cannot ask for anything more, right? Even though I had a bad trades, it's okay. I'm okay, right? Whenever I get a chance to trade in front of my computer during New York, guys, you guys are always gonna see me go live. That's it. That's it. I don't care if I'm doing good or bad. It doesn't matter.
Order filled.
Order
You
filled.
guys are always gonna see me go live when I get a chance to do that. I'm not gonna sit here and do those little trades on my own in the morning. I mean, yeah, I mean, naturally it's tougher to trade and try to stream at the same time. I mean, that's just, you know, that's, I mean, if you're a streamer, then you're gonna kind of expect that, right? So that cannot be an excuse. Yeah, that cannot be an excuse, right? I mean, yeah, nothing can be an excuse, guys. At the end of the day, you gotta find a way to manage that, right? Streaming and you know, if you are working too, these are all the things that you're gonna have to kind of manage. If you can't, you're not gonna complain. You can't complain. This is all your fault. Oh, Talker FX, you're gonna go streaming? Yeah, guys, man, if you're a streamer and if you're fairly new, yeah, go after, man. Go after. Do not make things any more complicated. Just make it simple, go after, and just do it. And that's it. Just do it, guys. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Bitcoin up to 92. Oh my god, I don't even want to take a look at the Bitcoin. By the way, guys, I bought some Bitcoin ETFs. I bought some BTF. I saw that BTF. God, I keep forgetting now. I bought some Bitcoin ETFs, and yeah. And these are my swing trades. I'm gonna hold it till the end of the year. No. No, I bought few I bought the Rocket Lab, RKLB. I bought that, and I bought few iron stock too. Iron stock, iron. IREN. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna hold it, and if it ends up, you know, I'm gonna be probably holding it for like few weeks into next year probably, and I'll take it off. Yeah, I'm trying to load in some heavy equity positions here into the year end. But these are not long-term portfolio. These are just swing trades, right? Swing trades probably hold it for about 6 to 8 weeks, or maybe at most 2 months. That's it. Probably just you know, get it sold when it gets to over 15% in profits. If it's down, I'll just keep adding. That's it. At least on stocks that you know, I kind of have confidence that it's gonna definitely move at the end. I will keep adding. Like for example, if it's Apple, right, Nvidia, I mean, right, you're not gonna get too nervous about a pullback. Buying opportunity for me is for StockTiger. Tiger. Citadel, what is going on, man? Yeah, no, I don't have to pay tax on those. Rocket Lab. Oh, you know Rocket Lab, Citadel. That's great, man. Yeah, I bought on that pullback in the last few days. I bought a few. Nothing really crazy though, you know. Yeah, I just got like $4,000. That's it. How many shares was that? I cannot remember exactly how many shares. I think that was like 80 shares or 100 shares. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but yeah. Yeah, so I try to request a payout with Apex. I did one out of the 3, but there's two accounts with a windfall issue. So the windfall is like 1%. So you got to be at 30%. I was literally at 30.4. Right, so you're 0.4% away. Incredible. It's annoying sometimes, but yeah, I heard Tradify is coming up with something really exciting, so we'll kind of wait and see how that plays out. In the meantime, I'm trading my listed accounts, man, and so far we're not getting anything out of this market, so I don't know. Venki did your Apex payout approved after first denial. Yeah, that's nice, man. You build a buffer and then you kind of trade it for like $50 a day. It's awesome. Great stuff, man. Team Chang, what is going on, brother? Pete Zaz. Are you expecting buys? In what sense? Mr. Fantastic. Are we gonna get a bounce in this market? We could. I'm gonna keep adding. Well, we'll see, guys. Let's see who wins the battle. Oh, by the way, man, this is this accounts with the DLL, so I've got to be a little bit careful. I just got to be a little bit careful, I guess. The DLL accounts. Like again, so if your goal is to just trade 5 accounts in a given time, so like for me it's a little different, right? For me, I would like to have 5 accounts with TopStep. I like to have 5 with Lucid, 5 with Tradify, 5 with Take Profit Trader. I would like to keep adding and make this a bigger empire to get into a bigger payout, of course, and then obviously to try copy trade some of these accounts all at the same time. But there are some traders doing only 2 or 3 accounts, right? And if that is the case, then you're gonna have to decide what it's gonna be. Is it gonna be Lucid versus TopStep? TopStep kind of makes most sense from a value perspective, but again, it's it really depends on traders. Some traders, they have a tough time trading TopStep, and some traders don't. Some traders prefer to trade Lucid, right, over TopStep any day. Maybe it's because Lucid upgrades to your funded account like immediately. So if you pass your account, immediately they give you an upgrade to funded account, and when you get to a payout, you get your money right away, right? So, and when I say right away, it's pretty fast. Versus TopStep, you're gonna have to kind of wait, right, for about, I would say about 4 to 6 days, right? Usually that's what it is. All right, this market's kind of really slow right now. Can I ask, using Trade, do you have to pay for CME data? When you go to the live trading, you have to, Jacob. But I think when you're trading the sim funded, you don't really have to pay for anything. Yeah, TopStep takes about I think it takes about 4 days. On an average, I think about 4 to 5 days, I think. Right? I think what do you guys think? I think it's about maybe about 3 days. Maybe I lied. I don't know. 3 to 4, I think, give or take. But it's definitely not right now, though. It's definitely not right now. Like, not immediately, right? That's just not the case. Lucid, if you pass it, if you get to the funded, and when you request a payout and that get approved, it's like immediately, instantly, it goes boop, out, done. But yeah, TopStep's a little different, yeah. All right, there we go. Even Chris Sendo is saying 2 to 3 days depending on when you request a payout. Yeah, right, that's what it is. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We've got our giveaway here happening tonight, right? And take a look at the instruction on our giveaway as well. All right, wow, this market has not done anything since the open. Great stuff, man. We got a nice little bounce, but then it's like, well, we had a little bit of a gap to the upside, and then it kind of like stalled. And then I don't know if we are gonna get a little pullback here. Maybe not. Maybe we'll see. I'm gonna be looking for a little pullback here down. I don't know, yeah. Oh yeah, let's do a little poll. I want to find out what you guys are doing right now with the trade. All right, guys, let's do a little poll. I want to find out what you guys are doing. Are you long or short? Let's find out, guys. And I wonder, maybe I should have done this sooner. But I guess at least we'll do it right now. We'll find out what you guys are thinking, or what do you have in mind. Oh man, we have more shoulders. That's a little problem. Daily trades, are your long biased? Monthly high at 668. Yeah. You know, I mean, let's just take a look at the 1 hour chart here. I've got on the right hand side, right? A 1 hour chart. You know, we are right at that major level, right? So we are at the major level, and I'm kind of going, okay, well, we did not get any kind of a pullback here today, right? We did not get any kind of a pullback. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna do something else here. I'm gonna do a Fibonacci retracement here. Let's do Fibonacci from here, right? Fibonacci from here. Well, no, I lied. Let's do it from here. Kind of, let's try to make this a little more exciting here for a moment. But so there we are. So we got this Fibonacci here, by the way, and then got a Fibonacci. So we're having a hard time trying to get a bounce into the 635, 650. This area just seemed to be a little bit heavy, you know. And I don't know if this Globex Asia has got, you know, got what it takes to kind of push this, right? The volume's not there as well, so I don't know. We had a nice little dip here today, this morning, and that was a pretty significant pullback here we got. But here, this is a big one. It's a great thing that we actually ended up getting a pullback here down, but let's draw a little trend line here as well, and let's just take a look and see where we are. Oh my god. All right, so there we go, guys. At least I'd like to kind of expect this market to give us a little pullback into the 550, right, before we start to get a bounce back again, right? I prefer to see something like this to give us a much bigger move to the upside, right? I think we gotta grab some more liquidity down into this level, right, before we try to get a bigger balance in this market, right? So this is an area I'm kind of watching, so we'll see how it goes. It may not play out, we'll see, or we may just get a bounce and go, or we could try to we could potentially try to get a little more bounce, I guess, and then give us a pullback, push, and then maybe a pullback. But anyways, back to trading here, guys. We are trying to get a little bounce back up again. And oh yeah, okay, so we got 100 votes in a favor of short. We got 54% saying we are shorting and 46% long. So I'm gonna end the poll right there. Oh wow. So we got more traders biased to the short side. Incredible. Okay. You might get a pullback all the way down there.
Acting of 정려원 and E.
All right, no pullback so far. I'm kind of expecting this market to give us a little pullback down into the 600s. I don't know, man. This market's just when I'm kind of like a little more ready to bank some profits. This market's really not doing anything. So, oh my god. Trying to get to Jimmy, fellow Canadian. How's it going tonight? JR Rods, what is up? Yeah, I mean, it maybe a little overstretched. A few days ago, I said, okay, well, I think the 41K for the month of December, it's definitely very doable. And then it's like all of a sudden, 2 days after, we're not even 1 week past, right? 2 days after, we're kind of going, okay, well, it may be a little bit difficult. It may be a little bit difficult. Oh, we'll try. We'll try. We'll try. I've already put my target, so yeah. One of my burnout, J-Rod burnout. Well, I don't think you see me go live last year. Last year I was live all day. I was live all day. I'm definitely doing a lot less now than last year. Last year I was like 14 hours straight streaming. All right, guys, this market's wow, man. I can't believe how great this market is, guys. It's not moving, which is great. Mimir a Tiger Watch Magic market will take 25,600 then go higher with the speed. 619. All right, I'm gonna keep an eye on the 619 here, boys. And that kind of makes sense because we got an EMA here, kind of fall in line as well.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Now, see, guys, we get a little dip here. I don't know if that's a flush. I would say a small little dip. Oop, you know, a little dip. Boop. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm trying to get into a lot of swing trading too on my my personal equities too right now. So hopefully that, you know, generates some decent profits too. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing with, like, you know what, I don't know, give or take. The seed money is gonna be about 50K. And try to build that 50K into, I don't know, something else much bigger. We'll see how it goes. So far, I've started to load in the purchases. I bought a well, not a bunch, but I bought AMD, Nvidia, Palantir, those traditional, you know, tech stocks. I bought some Roblox as well, you know, Amazon. I didn't load in any Apple. Though. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't really truly have a lot of confidence in this market, guys. I mean, even though I kind of feel like, you know, maybe it's a little more bullish, but so I've got my ass on this market. I just don't know if we have the volume to kind of push this thing back up again above the pivot, which is obviously sitting in that 633. We kind of bounced into that and got rejection of that level. So we'll see, guys. Maybe we pierce through that and try to get into the 650s. But until we do that, I'm down. I'm still down. I've got 18 contracts, but keep an eye on this, guys. You should start ETF portfolio with high dividend stocks for retirement. I already have that, like, you know, dividend stocks. I have a whole bunch of dividends. This is not, yeah, I mean, long-term portfolio and dividend stocks portfolios are all there. That's not the purpose. The purpose of this new account that I'm playing right now is a swing trading, right? Swing trading, holding it for like 2 months, 3 months, and keep reloading, rinse and repeat, pretty much, right? If this market is still a bullish market, then buy the dip, sell the rip, right? And that's the idea, especially on this mega cap stocks and the loading some ETS as well. So we'll see how that goes. I love the ARC holdings too. Yeah. Anyways, guys, back to our futures prop from trading here. Down. Man, this market is just so wonky. Not giving anything here. No pullback so far, guys. We had a small little minor pullback here into the 619s, but still, it's nothing truly very exciting here, guys. It's just been a slow little poo-poo for now. We'll see if we get something out of this, guys. Globex Asia here, guys. You guys know I go live every day during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Sorry, that's 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And then I tried my level best to go live during New York as well. I did that this morning, a little bit early, but usually I go live at 11 o'clock in the morning, New York. So do not forget to hit that notification bell too to always get notified every time I go live. Watch StockTiger make and lose as well. Today I lost, unfortunately, but it was a great morning. Maybe it's a good thing that I kind of lost today, because it gives me the sense of urgency to readjust, right? Not just from a trading perspective, but from a mental perspective too. I kind of realize I'm a little exhausted here at this point, so I've got to scale down a little bit. Do not pressure yourself too much. Sometimes it's a little bit early into December, so raffles. All right, fellow traders, this market is trying to break it slightly to the downside, guys. So we'll see if we can actually get a pullback into the 600s. Or we get a bounce. We'll find out now. Yeah, I just got to make a few more $100 on my combines to pass another 2. I made $3,000 of profit, but I still have to make a few more, right? I gotta still make a few more to pass, because the profit that I made on the first trade of the day, I made about $1,800, right? So, and I purposely did that to kind of like give myself a lot more room. I would rather at this point, especially with an account that I bought without no activation fee, you're paying $93 up front. So that's pretty costly, right? So it kind of makes sense to, when you feel comfortable on that given day, just make a little more, and I wouldn't mind trading for a few more days to get that extra few $100 to pass. Yeah, it's been horrible, guys, man. What kind of price action? Can somebody move this market? Who are live traders here, guys? Live traders, let's try to move this market, guys. Put on with 1 mini contract. There we go. And we're gonna see this market dump. No contracts trading. We're not exchanging any contracts, guys. What is up with this market? Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Five MQ looking bullish. I I don't know if it's bullish. I kind of feel like it's neutral at this point, right? So I'm not gonna be looking to yeah, I think we gotta pull back here. I think don't quote me on that, but yeah, because I'm short right now. Damn it. Yeah, but I mean, yeah, I've got a hard, well, not a hard stop, mental stop here, probably 650 area, and then I'll be like, you know, I'll be walking away if we end up getting a bounce in this market. I don't know, it's really slow, guys, man. Holy mochaccino. When is this market about to move? Oh, guys, by the way, we've got 8 more minutes for Tokyo, guys, and that is a lot of fun. All right, so we've got 8 more minutes for Tokyo, so I think that probably could see. Yeah, we got 8 more minutes for Tokyo, guys. And thank you guys once again for being here tonight. Obviously, it's my honor to be able to trade live in front of my fellow traders every day during Globex Asia. And then, of course, at time to time, I try my level best to trade New York as much as I can. But obviously, you guys know this is not my full time. So, but I try my level best. Every time I am in front of my computer in the morning, I trade live. And that's my commitment to all of you, my friends. I wish I can go live like on a plane, but the Wi-Fi, the connection is horrible. I can barely trade. Oh my god, guys, what is up with this market? Can somebody please move? Come on, move this market. Let's go, everybody. Yeah. Oh, by the way, 1 second, guys. No worries, no worries. Just 1 second, guys. I'm trying to set up something here. Oh, we had a winner. Molly treats. Molly treats. I think you've won the Tradify 50K account, right? Did you? Can you let me know? All right, by the way, guys, let's get back into trading mode. We are getting a little pullback here. Let's see if we have what it takes to kind of like give us a little push down. I'd like to see a little push down if you can. But god, man, what a stubborn market, guys. Holy. Yeah, it's a very stubborn market. I'm trying, but this market is just not giving it to you. And by the way, yeah, Apex account promo ends today, right? It ends today. Today's the last day. Interestingly enough, I think Bulonox just woke up now and they got an offer with 91% off. So that's $16 on any evaluations. Oh, Inmon Daily, thanks, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh my god, went from 8% down to 6% up after earnings. Are you serious? Oh my god. Oh my mochaccino. They're $9. They went up to 101. Incredible. I don't know, man. I have no idea what this market's trying to do. Okay, so I guess the Marvel's gonna kind of move this market to the upside. Is that what it is? There's no pullback. There's no bear. It's just it's bullish, right? To the moon, to the sky, whatever you guys want to call it. We are constantly getting a bounce off this freaking level, man. It's just so annoying. But I'm still in my trade, so God. Can this be any more annoying? Yeah, I'm still here. I mean, I think, you know what the thing is? I think the Globex Asia price action kind of gets into me, and then I get mad at this price action, and I start to go a little more aggressively, and then that's when I kind of get hurt. So I've got to be careful with what I do. I do not really want to mess with this market, right? Especially during the Globex Asia. So yeah, the price action is right now horrible, guys. It's just incredible how it's just not I don't know. I was up $60. I'm down $200. What the heck is going on, guys? I've got 17 contracts here, micro contracts, and yeah. And so far, it kind of feels like this market leaning more to obviously chop. Let's take a look at the gold here. Maybe the gold is doing something better, something a little more exciting, I guess. Well, on a daily chart, the gold isn't doing much, right? The gold isn't doing much. Let's take a look at the NKD. Oh, by the way, guys, we got 2 more minutes for Tokyo. Oh my God, guys. Oh well. Guess what that's gonna do? 2 more minutes for Tokyo. That's a bit of a problem. Bit of a problem, guys. Tokyo is gonna move this market. Yeah, absolutely. I am not gonna disagree. Did we actually end up getting a pullback on a Bitcoin down into the 91,000? All right, guys, we got Tokyo in about a minute, and so far it looks like we're getting a little pullback here. I think maybe Tokyo is gonna move this market, guys. Maybe.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I added some more. Oh my God.
Order
I
submitted.
added some more, guys. You got Tokyo in about I think few more seconds. Is it few more seconds? All right, got 40 more seconds, guys, for Tokyo. Globex Asia Tokyo to open in about 30 seconds, guys. Maybe we
Order
find
submitted.
some action here. Yeah, and I better be
Order
careful, man. I've
submitted.
got 25 contracts now.
Order submitted.
Right, here we go,
Order
guys.
submitted.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Tokyo's gonna dump this. No, man. Nobody knows what this market's gonna do. Watch it, guys. It's open now. Oh my God, I ain't gonna be screwed here. Am I? Are we gonna get a bounce? Or are we gonna get a pullback here and save my day? Oh my God. 6:30. We are getting a bounce, guys. Tokyo is officially open now. And so far, we're kind of holding. Wow. What a big move. Incredible. 10 points. Woo! Well, not even 10 points. This was a nice little 6 points move here to the upside. Incredible. And I'm down. Wow. Amazing. And obviously, I've got a DLL on this account, by the way, man. Very annoying. God. Oh, yeah, I've got a DLL. I completely forgot about that too. DLL accounts. You know, when you trade accounts with DLL and non-DLL, it kind of gets really confusing sometimes, right? Especially when you're actually in trading. God, man, we are trying to pierce through this level now. I don't know. I'm down. It's going to hit my DLL pretty soon here. So watch this market do. Oh, actually, you know what? I lied. Oh, yeah, it's going to hit my DLL, yeah. God, my God. Well, you got Marvel kind of bouncing 10%, so...
Order canceled.
Well, the thing is, right, it's frustrating because it's kind of like,
canceled. Order,
You know, the thing that I
order
hate the
can-
most is like, you know, it gets
order
pretty
can-
close to your
order
entry and then
canceled.
it goes against you, right? Just right about the entry, right? How many times it got close to my entry? It hit my entry like freaking 5 times, guys. Oh my god, what a beautiful day! Continuation of this morning, incredible. No, these are not flex, man. This is not a flex accounts. I bought these accounts a few days ago, and I thought it was flex accounts, but apparently it was not flex accounts. So I'm trading the DLL accounts, unfortunately. Yeah, so it's gonna hit the DLL and I'm down. Gotta hate this market, man, sometimes. Oh my god, really annoying. 5 times it hit my entry and gets a bounce finally. Like, it doesn't even dip slightly down even. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even get anything right this morning and today. Continuation of Globex Asia, guys. I may have to like I may have to now maybe not trade for a day to try to you know, to try to get a little bit of a reset here, if you will, right? I mean, it's really annoying when I mean, I had this kind of a day quite a few times. It gets to my entry, I'm just slightly green, and then goes against me 3-4 times, and then it's like, and then it obviously completely now goes away from your entry, and then obviously you end up blowing your account. Very frustrating, guys, but I guess there's really nothing much I can do. We got a pivot here at 635, and we kind of got rejection of the level, as you guys can see. There's definitely a reason why we are getting rejection of that level. Let's see if we get a little more continuation down. If not, then I think we're capito. Yeah, but I mean, lately it's been, when I say lately, for the last few days, it's been a little annoying, but you know, nothing much I can do, right? You know, I may also have to think about oversizing. I don't think I'm oversizing as much. I mean, you're on a 2-3 mini contracts. Like, what's, no, it's like 2 or 3 mini contracts. It's fine. To be honest, if you want to get payouts, and if you're kind of looking at getting like, you know, $30,000 to $40,000 a payout in a given month, you have to be able to trade a couple mini contracts. And that's exactly what I've done for the last few months, and we've been working pretty nicely. But, and when I say few mini contracts, I mean, like, you know, it could be 20-30 micros too. Anyways, here at 633, yeah, we could, I don't know, it's tough, but I'm still holding on to this trade. All right, we got a little bit of a pump, a little bit of excitement during Tokyo. You know, Tokyo's open. You know what? Okay, well, we'll give them a little credit. You know, they want this market pumping. Tokyo, it's okay. We'll give it to them a little bit, and then maybe we're getting a little dumped right now. Look, it hits my entry again. I understand. It's right at the bottom end of the trend line, and we get the VWAP at my entry, and I get that. But does it really have to be just right at the spot, like right there, like, oh, you know what I mean? Like right there. Does it have to be right there? Bro, dump. Let's go. Come on. Getting tired of you now. Getting tired of you. Give me a pullback down. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. I'll tell you what right now. It hit my entry. Let's find out, guys. Do I get some luck here? Let's find out, guys. Oh my God. Right, it hit my entry, guys. It hit my entry. I'm telling you. Let's see if we get a bounce. Or maybe this market kind of hurt me and said, okay, well, let's just give StockTiger a little bit of a wiggle room. I don't know. Look, wow, look at that bounce, man. Unreal. It hit my entry, and I get it. It's VWAP, right? I get it. Oh my god, I'm out. All right, guys, I am back. I hope you all doing great so far, everyone. Let's get it, guys. All right, all right, all right. $50. Yeah, I still have this trade. Yeah, I still have this trade. Are you okay? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I just got a little mad. Yeah, I wanted to smack something against the wall. I just didn't really have anything to kind of execute it. So I had to kind of like walk away a little bit. I walked away, I came back, all fresh. We are good to roll. We are good. Everyone, rock and roll. Let's get it, guys. No, I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm gonna go for poo-poo, for sure. Yeah, of course. I'm not gonna lie. I tell you guys, I go to washroom all the time. But if I have to go for a little longer, I'll let you guys know. 100%. Peace. Flush it for the stream. Oh yeah. Are we? Oh, by the way, let's take a look and see. Oh, Michael G, what is up, yo? Getting here at ski poles, yeah. Michael G, what is up, man? My neighbor, Michael G in the house, man. Long time no see, bro. What the heck were ya? Well, now that Michael G is here in the house, I think we're gonna see a nice little break to the downside, guys. I think that's what it's gonna be. Boy, Pablo, what is up, man? Yeah, man. Honestly, I've been having a little bit of a rough time to. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I'm just not having a good entry. I get that, but it's is it a coincidence that we have to constantly hit my entry and then just walk, like, you know, run away from my entry? You know what I mean? How many times did I have to really do it? You know, like, it's like my entry here at 623, it tapped it like it's now 7 times now. 7 times. Incredible. And I'm not looking for that big move down. Just a small little move down, and it's like it's not there. And then I, you know, as soon as you try to average your entry, it rips and then stop me out because I'm heavy in my position. And obviously, you know what that means, right? Not enough drawdown to kind of withstand the bounce in this market. Mochaccino, guys, do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys are enjoying what you guys see. And if you guys are enjoying StockTiger getting smoking cookie tonight, everybody, let's do it. Oh yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I've gotta be I mean, yeah, I mean, of course I am emotional sometimes, right? I am emotional, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be like, oh, just smile all the time. You guys are seeing the real emotions, right? I'm not gonna hide anything. Sometimes you guys are gonna see me get angry, get upset, and you know, sometimes you guys are gonna see me smile all day. Sometimes you guys are gonna see me trade 100 times and all my 100 trades are all green. Sometimes you're gonna see me go all red and blow accounts left, right, and center. It's just gonna happen, right? It's just part of the process. And yeah, I'm not interested in trying to hide my emotions. No hiding emotions, guys. That's very harmful. It hurts. It hurts. Yeah, but I can't. But you know what, though? I kind of feel like I'm getting a little further away from that target. That's all I can say. I'm not gonna go any more than that. I don't know why, but it's tough, man. It's tough to trade this market lately. And it's just been 2 days, guys. 2 days I've been trading. But I've not done a good job. But I think more than trading, I think it's my mental. And I guess the reason why I'm having a little problem with my mental is maybe because I'm a little exhausted. You know what I mean? We had a long November, we had a long December, and it's like, you know what? It's getting a little bit of a toll in me. And that's kind of like putting me, you know, at that stage where I need a little break. You know what I mean? And that's why we have to be careful. It's not just about trading. Sometimes it's your mental, right? Your mental's kind of a little exhausted, right? Because you ran too fast, too quick. You know what I mean? Like you guys know, we fought so hard to get to a number in November, and now that it's behind us, you know, I wish there was kind of like a little few days of a gap between each month so we can have a little break. But that's just, you know, that's just how it goes, you know. Unfortunately, that's just how it goes. Buellnox promo ends. Let's take a look. I don't not sure. I'm not sure when it ends, but I'm gonna take a look, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. If I end up blowing my listed accounts, I will keep adding. I will keep resetting. That's it. That's what I'm gonna do. I decided to. Well, it's not gonna be endless. Probably just a few. That's it. I don't have a budget anymore, guys. I have a very tight budget for the month of December. I've already spent my December budget, I kind of pulled it from December. I used it in November because of Black Friday, and I don't really have anymore. So the promo 91% off ends end of this month, so you have all day. So you have all month. So do not, don't rush into loading in accounts, by the way. Do not rush, guys. If you don't really have to, just don't load, right? Just because you load, that doesn't mean that you're gonna be a better trader, right? Sometimes it's better to load in one at a time, do well on your one account, and keep adding as you do well and better, right? Why do you have to like load in 20 accounts, 30 accounts at a time? You know? And that goes the same thing as Apex. If Apex is going to give us an offer and that ends today, you don't have to load in accounts now just because it ends today. Wait until they have a new offer. Don't rush into loading in accounts, right? That's to me, I never really had a good experience loading in accounts in a rush just because the promo ends today. I honestly, I've always failed to be successful on those accounts that I kind of rush into, right? So I don't really care if Apex ends today. I'm gonna wait for another day. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the world. You know what I mean? So don't rush. So yeah, I mean, I appreciate you guys using my code, but I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna go, oh, today's the last day. Come on, guys, you gotta rush it. Nah, that's just not my style. I don't do that. Oh, anyway, oh shit, guys, we are pulling back here. Holy mochaccino.
Order.
Well,
Order filled.
I'm gonna be
Order
down
filled.
to
Order
15
filled.
contracts now. I'm gonna take
Order
some off
filled.
the table.
Order.
Order
Guys,
filled.
I didn't realize I was actually up on this trade. Holy. That's a nice little pullback, isn't it? And what are we gonna pull back into? 587. Let's get it, guys. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Yeah. All right, guys. I think we are gonna see some more pullback here. What now, guys? That was a nasty pullback. And that's a dip. How much was that again? Well, that's literally just 20 points. Nothing really too crazy. Guys, it's a casual 20-30 points, man. Nothing really truly significant by any means, right? So I think maybe get a little pop and maybe a pull back into the 600. Eventually, I think we pull back into 600. I guess that's what we are trying to do. All right, guys. At least the nice thing is I'm back up again.
Order filled.
Order.
Order
It
filled.
could have been a lot worse,
Order
by the
filled.
way. I've got 13 contracts now, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get something out of this now. And by the way, somebody asked me this question, but the funding ticks, right? If you are going to reset the accounts, it's cheaper, right? It's cheaper than buying a new account, I think. I think it's cheaper if you reset, if you fail an account, and if you reset that account, it's cheaper than buying a fresh new account. Just so you know, right? Don't fall on that trap to load in new accounts with a coupon code, whatever it is. The reset's cheaper, from my understanding. And the reset's a lot cheaper too, I think. I haven't done any resets with funding ticks so far because I didn't lose anything, but every time I resetted accounts with funding ticks, it was always cheaper. But I don't know about it right now, though. I don't know about Lucid. But I know that it is cheaper. Justin Wright, I love you, man. I love you guys. By the way, guys, it's my honor. You guys know how much I love trading with y'all every day. Maybe we try to pass right now, guys. Holy mochaccino, this is unreal.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take some
filled.
more off the table, guys.
Order
Maybe
Order
we fall
filled.
back here into the 585. I think somebody mentioned that as well, 585. But holy cappuccino, look at that pullback here, guys. Oh my god. Woo! All right. StockTiger, a happy camper, trying to pass this bad boy right now, guys. Maybe it's about to happen. Maybe it's about to happen right now, right here, guys. Live in front of my fellow traders. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. 587. We are hitting that right now, right here. And let's see. Let's see if you get a flush down. Incredible, guys. Look at that dumpage. Holy mochaccino. So that definitely was worth it. No, it's definitely worth it. Yeah, I mean, oh my god, sorry man, Ver 4Y. Hey man, okay, hey market, can you get a bounce just for Verdi? I'm okay to sacrifice my my trade just for Ver 4Y. All right, give me a little bounce, okay? Come on, be nice. I told you, give me a little bounce. Oh, there you go, guys. We're getting a bounce right here. Hey, Ver 4Y, man. I hope you are getting pretty close to your entry now. Got that 30 points. Yeah, well, mine's not necessarily 30 points because my entry was not as good. My entry was only in that where's my entry, by the way? Yeah, it's 622 is where my entry is. Actually, you know what? No, I took 40 points. Holy mochaccino. No, it's like 40 points dump that I got. The best trader, the best #1 trader, looking for some payouts. Oh my god. Yeah, that was definitely a lot of pressure. I was a little frustrated the fact that we are kind of like constantly hitting my entry, right? I was a little frustrated, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna hide, right? I was frustrated, and yes, I walked away. But hey, maybe it's a good thing I kind of walked away, because if I didn't do that, something bad would have happened. Let's not try to visualize what that would be, but yeah. Not looking good so far. Maybe get a little bit of a bear flag here, guys. Maybe this could be a nice little bear flag, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is probably the time of the you know, I guess in the last few days, probably I would have saved a lot of trades if I ended up using a hard stop. But obviously, not necessarily hard stops are always nice. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I know a lot of you guys are going, okay, well, StockTiger placed a hard stop, but I tell you what though, 80% of the time, 80% of the time, I tell you what, I save my accounts much more by not having a hard stop and just having a mental stop right up here, right in my brain. Mental stop. 80% of the time, I saved my accounts, right? So hard stop is good in certain cases, but in a lot of cases for me, like 8 to 2, right? Out of 10 times, 8 times, it would work better if I have a mental stop. So obviously, it really depends on what sort of a trader you are too, and depending on your trading style and everything else. If you're able to stick to your mental stop as well, then you know the mental stop kind of work out better. But if not, then you know, if you don't stick to your plan, if you just keep, you know, ignoring your mental stop, then yeah, I guess that's a problem. But for me, 80% of the time, I do better. So anyways, guys, who cares about my mental stop now, man? Let's get this market moving. Oh, by the way, I asked for this market to get a little bounce for our Verdi. Is Verdi in the house? I hope you're okay, bro. Damn it. I need a bounce in this market, guys, just for Verdi. Come on. Is there anybody long? You find it hard to execute on mental stop. Yeah, I mean, it depends, right? That's what I said. Mental stop, it's hard in a lot of cases because you have to be really disciplined. I'm not saying I'm a disciplined trader, but obviously I try my level best. And I guess it's through experience too. You know, I've been trading for the longest time now. I'm getting old, right? I'm only 17, but getting old. I've been trading for over 13 years. Oh, hold on one second, guys. This math doesn't work. I'm 17, but I've been trading for 13 years. How does that work? Oh well, you know. Let's not do the math, guys. I am still 17, but I've been trading it for 13 years now, so that's fine. It's fine, right? It's okay. It's okay, guys. Oh yeah, see, a perfect play is only 40, but he's been not using a hard stop for 30 years, man. See? All right, guys, I think we're breaking to the downside. Yeah, we are breaking down, man. What the heck is going on in this market? Looks bearish. Looks bearish, guys. Maybe I try to pass this bad boy right now, or maybe not. Can I do that? Well, I was down quite a lot on this account already right from the start, so oh yeah, so this is the account that I hit the DLL yesterday, I think. And then so, well, not yesterday, 2 days ago, I hit my DLL and I got it back to like 49,000 something, and then I made now $1,300, but that's just really getting me. Yeah, I still have how many more? I still have like I still have to make like $2,000 to kind of pass this account right here. I probably have to like scale up on my position size here. 11 contracts is not gonna cut it. Yeah, I still have to be a little more, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, guys. Come on, guys, if you guys want to support the stream, you know what I mean. Everybody who are new here, please take a few seconds of your time. I would love it. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the stream as well. It truly means the world. And by the way, guys, we got our giveaway happening here tonight. This is gonna be our Take Profit Trader 50K account. And good luck, everybody. If you are a part of this, type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway. Nothing truly you have to do. Just type in !Tiger. We're about to close the entries, and you guys know what it means. I'm gonna see a whole bunch of !Tiger now. As soon as I try to close the entries, that's what you're gonna see. Watch. Watch. There you go. See, I told ya. I told ya. Yeah, we still have some ways to go. It's 5:30. It's 7:30 now. All right, I'm gonna share my Discord link. I think some of you guys are asking me. I will share my Discord link. Just 1 second, guys. Oh shit, did I share with the wrong person? Hold on, guys. Oh, there we go. 1 second. All right, this market's kind of dead. All right, guys, I'm just about to close the entries. All right, guys, man, stop it. Stop it. Everybody heard me say stop. Ew. All right, guys, we get a little bounce. I mean, that's great for
Order filled.
somebody who are long on this trade. Yeah, it looks like a little pullback continuation here down. I don't know. And that's what I kind of feel like this market's gonna do. We'll see, guys. But what a dumpage in this market, guys. We held for the longest time, so let's see. I've got 10 contracts now. All right, guys, I will exit this trade.
Order filled.
Well, I'll exit that trade. I mean, it could, I don't know, it maybe would have been a better one. We'll try to... What am I doing? We still have, that's it? We'll try to.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna
Order
try and
submitted.
short the pop
Order
here, guys.
submitted.
If we get a pop here,
Order
I'll try to short
submitted.
that.
Order
And look for a
submitted.
bounce. We'll look for a pullback into the 540s.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for a little more. I think we could see this thing flush down, guys. Man, this is not looking good at all right now. Yeah. And I bought some swing trades as well, man. If this market dumps, I mean, we're not really down as much. I mean, you guys know. I mean, we're down about 0.5%. Even last night, Globex ASIA has been selling, guys. Asia is selling, and New York buys. Like, what the heck is going on with this market? Really annoying, right? This morning was another classic example of a market. Oh my god, very annoying. Very annoying mochaccino, guys. All right, by the way, I'm gonna try and look for some little more profits on my trade here, guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. I hope this isn't gonna dump on me. All right, so here I am, guys. I'm trying to get into a trade with Top Step. I've got to make a few $100s, right, to get to all this. I'm very lucky that none of my Top Step accounts are. I failed. I bought 3, and all the 3s are looking so far
Order
pretty
filled.
good. So far, right? So far, yeah. So far it's looking okay. So maybe we should be shorting this again, guys. I don't know. All right, guys, I'm gonna be looking. Let's try to look for a little bounce, right? Citadel, thank you for the stream. Let's take a look. You pulled the first 3 of funded with the other firms and bought a single toss that traded Globex with you every day. I often take opposite trades as you, but our 623 entry got me funded. Oh, Citadel, hey man, I'm happy. Whether you fade me, whether you not, it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, if you're making, I am happy for you. I'm happy. Whatever you try to do, I'm happy. If it works. Jack, what is going on, man? Why number 1 is liking the stream?
Order.
Why
Order
number
filled.
1?
Order filled.
Order filled.
What was that, guys? What was that? Oh, it just triggered my entry. Okay. Oh my god, I thought I got blown or something like that. Holy mochaccino.
Order.
Order filled.
Nobody likes StockTiger. Is that what it is? I don't think so, man. Everybody loves me. I mean, we have some trolls here and there, but it's okay, you know. We all same humans. We all same humans, guys. Yeah, but over okay, let's see. Maybe try to pull back here. Sorry, guys, man. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so we are getting a little bounce. Oh, CT, thanks for your membership, brother. Thank you so much. Red Bull time. Yeah, I know. I kind of feel like I need something. Yeah, I definitely do need something for sure. But CT 9792, thank you for your membership once again. You know, we don't really have a lot of members, by the way. We only have a very handful. And you know what? I am truly appreciative, guys. You know, it's yeah, I thank you guys for everything you guys do. Thank you so much, everybody. You make me cry. B Adam, what is going on, man? How's your day going? Are you banking so far? What is up? I'll do a members only giveaway once a month. No, I'm gonna do something much bigger very soon. So stay tuned. You know, I'm not forgetting. Just because I don't do you know, giveaways for members only, that doesn't mean that I'm not thinking. We got something big coming up pretty soon here. For anybody who's been over 2 months on our main channel too, by the way, on our main channel, something big. You know, we got some big stuff coming up pretty soon. So
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Holy mochaccino, man, we are getting a bounce here, guys. So we got a nice little bounce, right? We are getting a little bounce. And by the way, once again, thank you, Mr. CT9792 for your membership. I truly appreciative, guys. Big shout out.
Order.
Thank you
Order
so much.
Order.
Order filled.
Yeah, Poi Pablo, I think
Order.
I'm
filled.
probably better off just move that to here. Poi Pablo, I think that's probably a better idea. And Poi Pablo, man, you've been one of our, you know, probably the first or the second member, right? Poi Pablo is one of my, you know, guys. I don't forget those names, by the way. Who's been with me for the longest time? Those are members. I'm not gonna forget, right?
Order.
And
Order filled.
you know, we got a lot of exciting things coming up, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, wait, Pablo, you moved to here. Nice, man. I like that. Thank you so much. You're gonna have to cancel the other one though, on the other channel. You know, we have obviously my my other channels. I haven't been able to stream on that channel. That's the main channel. This is our backup channel. That's the second channel. But yeah, seeing you grow from below. Yeah, I know, Poi Pablo, man. Thank you for being with me throughout this whole process, guys. Once again, Poi Pablo, thank you so much. And we're getting a bounce in this market now, guys. Yeah, we got 5,000 already,
Order.
man.
Order
It's been
filled.
like 4 months now. A little less than 4 months. We started this channel. Remember, guys, we started this channel in the month of July. July, August, September, October. So 4 months. 4 months, we got it up to 5K, guys. So if you guys are a streamer looking to start right now, like, you know what, things can happen. Just gotta put effort and you know, work hard. You're gonna get there. And by the way, thank you for your membership, Poi Pablo. Thank you so much once again. And thank you to who else? CT9792, man. I really appreciate you guys for being here and being a member as well. Arigato gozaimasu. 44X Punisher, you're doing great job, Tiger. Keep it up. Thank you, 44 Punisher, with the kind words. All right, this market trying to get a bounce or pullback, guys. I've got 11 contracts now. I don't know, man. I somehow am with 11 contracts, and we're trying to get a bounce back above into the VWAP. So I don't know. I'm down about 115 bucks, but it does look like we want to just keep getting a bounce in this market. So if we get above the VWAP and it kind of holds, then I'm gonna have to kind of, like, you know, maybe think about exiting my trade. But maybe we get another leg to the downside. We kind of chop in this range, and then maybe we pull back here. All right, Poi Pablo, thanks for being here, man. Are you gonna go have lunch? Yeah, take care. So this seems like we are kind of holding, right? We are kind of holding. I may have to exit this trade here. I'm down about $200. Nothing truly crazy, but I mean, still, I kind of feel like we're getting a bounce, guys. The VWAP here, we're retesting the VWAP. Let's see. Retesting the VWAP. Let's see the reaction. I just want to see how it's going to react here. Are we going to pierce through that VWAP again? Try to retest the VWAP and try to get a bounce off that VWAP, or do we get a pullback here, right? That's what I'm going to be kind of watching. Yeah, my mental stop probably in that 620 area. 620. Yeah, I've got 11 contracts right now. I think China market opens. Yeah, the China market opens in I don't know when. In about 20 minutes. I think that's what it is. 20 minutes. China opens. So we are right at the VWAP. We well, I don't know if this is a rejection of the VWAP. To be honest with you, maybe this is. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's try to be a little patient. Watch this market do its thing. We gotta give some time for this market to kind of play out as well. So maybe try to retest the VWAP and maybe get a rejection and try to pull back, or we just pierce through that and just get above the 610 and give us that little continuation to the upside. So while this market's doing its thing, let's try to take a look and see if we have some more payouts from some traders. Bowser taking more payouts from the pro account, which is great. Honestly, I am so grateful to see Bowser share his stats, but taking payouts every day through Take Profit Trader, it's like it's like the best thing you can ever go through, right? Every day, and that's a lot of great trades. You have R Key taking $13,500 as well. So yeah, that's a pretty good. And we've got more coming in from Profit Factor, right? Profit Factor, and that's on his Lucid accounts. $600, $100, lost down a DLL, but hey, it's great to see our fellow traders share the journey together in our community. It truly means a lot, right? Whether it's good or bad, it doesn't really matter. We're all here to support each other, so I'm very grateful that we are seeing traders share their journey together with us. And we got Dude 45. Eval 1 blown, but 2 getting pretty close to passing, so that's good. Two accounts, well, not pretty close. I think it's passed already. By the way, guys, are we getting a bounce in this market? All right, we are back above the VWAP. We are back above the VWAP. Got a little problem here, guys. I may have to exit this trade. I can't believe that. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. Maybe I should try to add to my short position here. I may try to add to my short position. Let's try. I don't know if I'm on the wrong side, but
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
yeah, we have a chance of a break here. I'm looking for a quick scalp if I can, but I just want to make sure that this market, it looks pretty strong here. This bounce that we are kind of getting right now, it's pretty strong. Look at this bullish hammer that we actually got on that right hand side on a 30-minute chart. Actually, you know what? I'm using a 1-hour chart. I didn't even realize that. All right, so on a 30-minute chart, we got a bullish hammer. Right, we kind of broke out of this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to exit this trade now. Maybe.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long instead. Let's see. I went long instead, guys. Expecting a bounce into the 640. Let's see. Maybe get a little pullback here, or we just go. It looks pretty strong here, guys. Looks pretty strong. Breakout. Is that what we're gonna get? I've got 15 contracts right now. 15 contracts.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, so I am long, but I don't know if we are kind of out of the woods, because we're getting pretty close to a major level of resistance too. So just feeling a little uneasy, if you will. I'd like to see a nice bullish hammer, not a hammer, bullish green bar to kind of form, to give us that confidence that this market could eventually find its way to pierce through that 640. But no, yeah, I was not frozen. I was kind of like not panicking. I was just kind of thinking about what am I supposed to do with this trade.
Order
filled.
So yeah, I'm down to 10 contracts here, and this account's down to 530. Let's try to see if we can actually get something out of this now. Try to get this thing going here in the right direction. Getting a little well, I wouldn't mind a little pullback down, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this. Guys. We'll look to see if we get a bounce into the 640, and then maybe the next one would be the 660, right? You guys see that's the next level of resistance on the right hand side. We've got here one, and then we got another one here, which is this, right? So we gotta kind of like try to pierce through this area. So these are some levels to kind of watch. They're pretty obvious levels, right? So that's this one. and this one right here. So you're getting pretty close to those levels, right? And that's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, maybe we could see something like maybe the candles may look something like this, maybe, I don't know, right? Something like this. And then we have another candle to look something like this, right? And this is what I'm kind of thinking right now. And if I'm wrong, then we're gonna really have to see this and pull back into the 600 back again, and that's a long ways to go from here too. So that's what I'm kind of thinking right now, guys. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Thank you guys once again. We got over 600 viewers right now. That's concurrent, guys, and thank you so much for all of you for always being here with us every day. Thank you once again. Even though this market's kind of really slow, we're you know, we got a lot of participants, so I really appreciative, guys. Thank you guys once again for being here with us every day.
Order
All right,
Order
guys, we are
filled.
pulling back here now. Kind of got a little rejection of that 638, right? And I'm down to like 8
Order.
contracts
Order
now.
filled.
I'm gonna push it back down. And let's see. Maybe we try to get a bounce back into the 660s now, right? Hourly closing soon, really? Yeah, I'm on a 30 minutes chart. Oh yeah, we got 7 more minutes to close this candle on a 30 minutes chart, so yeah, of course. I mean, I try my level best in my trading. I'm not doing this for fun. These are real trades you guys are seeing. What? All right, guys. I think we got a little bearish signal. We got a rejection of that 338, and we're getting a pullback here. I don't know how deep of a pullback we are gonna get. We may try to get a bounce here again. We try to retest the 640. So I'm still gonna trade in this trade. I'm gonna maybe try to hold this a little bit to see if we can actually get a bounce back into the 640. Try to retest the 640 here, guys, or maybe we pull back into the VWAP and maybe get a bounce off that level. It's tough, man. This price action is not easy. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
Order
I'll
filled.
exit. I'm just gonna kind of watch. Maybe we get a little break to the downside here now. It's tough. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Do not be worried about missing an opportunity, guys. The opportunities are gonna come. You know, as always, if the market is truly strong, you're always gonna get more than one stab at it, right? So, you know, do not be do not be like, oh, I missed that trade. Don't worry, guys. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. This market truly has what it takes. The market will be there for you. All right, let's take a look at the gold. Just take a look at the gold, guys. Gold trying to get a bounce, but I mean, still there, not doing anything. The ES NKD trying to hold, guys. We are finally maybe trying to see a breakout of this ES, maybe. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here, sitting at 91,000. I think this Bitcoin's trying to well, not play dirty, but I kind of feel like Bitcoin is kind of getting ready for another bounce, maybe, or a pullback. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's really confusing. Yeah, I'm kind of I'm in no position now. I'm kind of trying to see if this market's gonna bounce back into the 640, or are we gonna pull back here, right? So that's where I am. China is coming strong. Like, what do we have in China right now? I'm not sure. Thank you guys once again for being here with us every day. You guys know I go live at Globex Asia 5:30 p.m. Eastern time every single night. And on top of that, I go live during New York as well. I did that this morning, and we got a few more days to do that this week. I look forward to seeing all of you back again every day in the morning and in the evening, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Lots of trading, lots of banking, lots of losing too at the same time. but at the end, we found a way to get payouts. And the payouts are not small. We got some big payouts, so we'll try our level best to hit our target this month. We got a little bit of an extended stretch goal, if you will, and that's 40K. I don't even know how to get there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get there. Is this your job? No, this is not my job, man. But I'm gonna. Oh, guys, we're getting a nice little move here. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna get
Order
this.
filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I went long here with 15 contracts. I will exit this trade if we pull back here off that initial low at 618. I will exit. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna have a hard stop right now. Well, not a hard stop, just with 10 contracts, right?
Order
That's
submitted.
That's it. If you get a pullback, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna walk away. But I think, oh, actually, you know what? I lied. Yeah, so here at 616, that's where my hard stop is good. Pretty much 10 points. So 10 points. Let's see if we get a bounce back and try to retest the 640. Now. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Order.
The
Order
fact that it
filled.
just kind of stalled there makes me feel a little uneasy, so I'm gonna hold it. Let's look for a better price action. Yeah, I kind of exited that trade. Yeah, I don't want to make things any worse. This is the flex account, so I do have a room here. Well, that's $11, yeah, $1,100. That's what I have here with me, but. Yeah, this is what I was kind of talking about. We're in the new hourly candle, right? On a new candle now on a 30 minutes chart too as well. So we're getting a nice little bounce, guys. I like this one better. Now let's see if we end up holding this.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I've got 17 contracts. I went long here after seeing that green bar. Let's see if we can actually hold this now and try to pierce through that 640. And this is gonna probably end up moving pretty quickly here, right? We just got to be able to pierce through this 640 area and not get a big fat rejection and get a pullback here, guys. And this could be a double top too, for all you know, right? This could be a double top here, guys. Got to be extremely careful now. Is this going to be a double top, or are we gonna pierce through that? Keep an eye on this, guys. Big one.
Order.
I'm gonna downside a
Order
little
filled.
bit. Down to 15 contracts. Down to 14.
Order filled.
Down to 13.
Order.
Order
Down
filled.
to 12.
Order.
Order
And
filled.
down to 11.
Order.
Order filled.
There we go. Yes, the spreads is pretty bad. Let's take a look at Nvidia, guys. What is up with Nvidia? Is somebody Nvidia, obviously the equity is closed. Okay, Nvidia is sitting at 181, so that's fine. Nvidia, nothing really truly crazy. AMD, and AMD, well, yeah, break even 215 there, so nothing really there. That makes me concerned by any means. So far we're okay. Let's take a look at the other stuff. Yeah, I think the Lucid ends. Lucid offer, I don't know what it ends. I think it ends in a few days, maybe. Because they exit
Order
that trade.
filled.
Alright, guys, 1 second. I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. Whoa. All right, so was that a bounce? I don't know if that was a bounce, honestly. This could be a double top here, for all you know. So gotta be careful, guys. I'm gonna be careful. Maybe this could be a little bit of a cup and handle, right? I don't know if you guys use the cup and handle quite often, but maybe this could be a little bit of a cup and handle, guys, right? I kind of see this as a cup and handle. I'm gonna try and long here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And I'm gonna try and be
Order submitted.
a little more
Order submitted.
aggressively on a
Order
pullback
submitted.
here, and then I'll exit my trade on a pullback here in under the VWAP. Right, my hard stop is probably gonna be in that 600 area, a little above the 600. This could be a little bit of a cup and handle, right? You got a nice, beautiful cup, and maybe you have a little bit of a handle, right? Kind of
Order
Order
form.
filled.
We'll see. This may be right. Oh my god! 1 second, guys. What is all this drawings? Kind of messed up. You know what I mean? Right here, something like this. And then we try to pierce through that and get above and try to retest, reclaim the 680. Maybe something that this market's trying to do. All right, so let's take a look, guys. Mr. Do you stream on YT? What do you mean you stream on YT? This is YT. This is YouTube right now. Oh, Lucid Flex ends tomorrow? Okay, I see. Oh yeah, I've got to be I may have to load in few more accounts. That's it. Nothing crazy, just a few. Oh yeah, we are getting a little bounce back. I'm gonna try. Oh
Order
man,
filled.
Order
it's kind of a little
filled.
late, but I'm
Order
gonna try and do that
filled.
right now, guys.
Order.
Order filled.
I've got 15 contracts here with me. Maybe this cup and handle, maybe working out. Maybe I want to cautiously, but you know, I should have entered more aggressively rather than at 626. You know, like trying to. I kind of feel like I'm chasing at this point, and kind of maybe if we get a pull back down into the low at 620, maybe I may get shaken out. But it could be a chase. But if we can pierce through this now, a beautiful cup and handle kind of playing out, it'll be really nice. We could see this thing rip through. But I'm gonna try and take some
Order filled.
positions off the table, guys,
Order
as we
submitted.
try to get a bounce back up
Order
again.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yes, Mr. Toker FX, what can I do for you? Patrick, Brian, that's a lot of payout. I mean, I'm grateful. I'm definitely happy with everything that's going on right now. I mean, it could always be a better month, but you know, I'll be yeah, I'm content.
Order submitted. Order submit. Order.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'll exit that trade. Oh my god, man, I'm gonna exit that trade.
Order
Jeez, guys.
filled.
Order filled.
It's just no bueno here, guys. Just no juice. No juice. I'm gonna probably pull back here down. Maybe this handle is it's kind of forming, but maybe it's not over yet. Maybe we see a pullback into the VWAP before we try to get a reverse back up again. Yeah, I had a long day. Yeah, for sure. Of course. Yeah. I had a long day. Yeah. I was streaming all morning. I was streaming all morning until we got to the power hour. And obviously after getting, I mean, when you get destroyed in your trading, it becomes even more challenging. But guys, man, we are getting a bounce now again. Damn it. I missed that trade again, guys. What the heck is going on right now? Yeah, your eyes are getting destroyed. You're looking at the scandals. Yeah, man. I mean, if you're like, you know what? If I'm having a good day, you know, I can stream all day. You know, it just feels good. You know what I mean? But if you're having a bad day, a rough day, and getting frustrated all day, and you try to stream all day as well, it's a huge mental toll. Huge. It's like incredible. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. The handle also making cup and handle. Yeah, the handle's also making cup and handle. Yeah, you're right. Same burning eyes, candle dreams. Yeah. It's not easy. Yeah, absolutely, it's not easy. All right, so are we going to make a move? We could. I kind of feel like we're creating this higher low, right? We are creating an. Oh man, what a take a look, man. We had a huge pullback here all the way down, and now it's literally about 40, 80 points. 80 points pullback right from the top to the trough, and then we got to bounce back again, another 80 points. So this is crazy, guys. We got to bounce. We got to pull back here 80 points and a bounce of 80 points again. And now we're finally creating a handle. But the handle is kind of forming. It's not complete just yet. We'll see, guys. This could be a higher low to me. We are trying to pierce through, but this seems like a little bit too heavy for this market to kind of pierce through that today. We'll see, though. We'll see. Yeah, we kind of swept through that. It looks tough, but this market's trying to make this thing move, so we'll see, guys. Maybe we do it tonight. We're getting some wild price action here today as well. Incredible. Yeah, man, it's just been a tough market to trade, especially, you know what, when the market moves like this. Yeah, man, either you have a great day, or you have a really blowout day, right? When you have this kind of a move, this one single candle, this is on a 30 minutes chart too. So for 30 minutes we've been pulling all the way back down into the 440 right from 650. Guys, there's no way, unless you have a hard stop, it's hard to kind of survive this dumpage, you know what I mean, unless you're not trading at all in that same day. But this is where things become very difficult, right? And then you yeah, and then when you have this big bar, you're kind of expecting one more leg to the downside. Come on, like, you know what, honestly, when you have a big dumpage like that, usually you have that follow through, a little more of an extended move to the downside. But then guess what happens? That gets bought, and then that gets bought, and then it kind of shakes the longs to give us a pullback down here into the 500. That was another 120 point pullback right from the top here again. So crazy, guys. It's hard to trade this market, right? When you have this kind of a move, when you have this, it's fine, you can kind of deal with it. But again, here the same thing. This was even more sick, right? This is like 350 points pullback. So it's hard, man. Look at this dirty chart looking. What the heck is this chart? Oh my god. You know what I mean? And it played very quickly too. So it does not, like, you have to be pretty quick, and you have to kind of read the market well to kind of step into this trade at the right time, at the right moment, to make a good trade. Unfortunately, I did not capitalize on these moves in the last few days, so it was tough for me, right? That was really tough. Anyways, coming back into the trade now, it's the same kind of idea, right? Yeah, man, that was it's been a tough few days. Absolutely, man. Absolutely tough few days. I don't know, man. I just kind of feel like it's been a yeah, maybe I should have adjusted. I don't know. Yeah, I'll try to get better at my trading for the next few days. Hopefully we get some good results. But if this is how it's gonna be, then I better step aside for a few days and maybe not try to trade, because yeah, I'm gonna get smoked by trying to get into trade. Yeah, not a lot of good trades for me, for sure. Look, I'm up $1,100, but I'm also down $600 on another account. So it's up and down. Too much of up and downs. No good. No bueno. No pasa nada. Yeah, it's been a tough market. I mean, it seems easy, but it's not, right? Some people make it sound easy, but it's really not. It's tough. It's tough. But we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. Oh, by the way, guys, we gotta get our giveaway going. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream, everybody, thank you so much once again for doing that. For all the new viewers, by the way, we go live every day during Globex at by 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Woo! And also New York, minimum twice a week, guys. Love to see y'all every day. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway here today. All right, it's that time of the day. I'm gonna close the entrance now. Do not type in !Tiger anymore. Oh my god, there we go. Now we're talking. Oh, started again. Oh my god. Oh my mochaccino. All right, good luck, everybody. It's that time of the day. It's that time of the day. Stop! Come on, guys. What is up? Let's go. My timer getting ready as well here. 3 minutes. For that winner. For that winner. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? All right, guys, it's that time of the day. I'm gonna close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. All right, close the entries, and we are rock and roll ready. Oh, by the way, I did close the entry. What the heck's going on right now? All right, guys, I'm gonna pick the winner now. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. And thank you guys for being here with us every day. Extremely appreciative to all of you for being kind as well on a chat and not trolling StockTiger and making StockTiger cry. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are the best. All right, it's that time of the day to pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. If you are part of this giveaway, yeah, for all our Albertan friends, it's that time of the day to shovel some snow as well. A lot of snow incoming. All right, 3, 2, 1. Dos, uno, zero. Let's go. Mr. Alicia. Mr. Alicia in the house. Mr. Alicia. Mr. Alicia, we got 3 minutes to confirm that you are here. Mr. Alicia in the house. Mr. Alicia. Alicia. What a beautiful name, by the way. Alicia sounds like I don't know if you guys know this song. Oh, I can't play that right now. Oh, it's not Alicia, right? The song is Aisha. Aisha. You know that song? Aisha, Aisha, écoutez-moi. You know that song? It's Aisha, Aisha. They call it Aisha. It's Aisha. It's by Mr. Chep Khalid, right? It's Mr. Chep Khalid. It's yeah, it's French. It's French. Yeah, that's right. He's a great guy. I love him so much. I don't know where he is now, but I mean, he really had a beautiful song. I love that song, guys, man. I love that song, man. I love that song. And Aisha, thank you for reminding me. Congrats once again for being a winner here today. I think it's Algerian if I'm not wrong, right? He's Algerian, so he speaks French, right? Algerian speaks French. Oh, he's Moroccan, really? Sorry, man. I try to be smart. I was wrong. I think it's Algerian, though. I think he's Algerian. Am I not right? He's Algerian. Yeah, that's right. He's Algerian, bro. Come on, man. Come on, yo. Yeah, I love that song, man. It's a beautiful song. Let's maybe try to listen to that song. Let's hold on, guys. Oh, dime, dis-moi. All right, sorry guys, man. Yeah. All right, guys. I guess I've got to end the stream now. It's getting a little late. All right. So, by the way, guys. All right, the market's kind of choppy, not doing anything. I think probably a perfect time to kind of leave now. You're a better trader. Oh, you're a better trader. I'm a good singer too, man. Anyways, guys, yeah, I think let's just call it here. Nothing really there to get too overly excited with trading. This market's kind of chopping. It's not even moving at all now. It's like 10 points range. So, guys, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Love you guys. Have a great rest of the day. Enjoy the day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Globex Asia. Everybody, have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much for being here today. All of you, thank you so much. Before you hop out, try to smash the like, guys. If you guys want to support the stream. And guys, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Globex Asia, once again, for now, have a great rest of the night. God bless you and your family. Thank you so much. And peace. Thank you guys. Take care. And bye-bye. Bye.